The purpose of this video is to explain how I want you to do attendance. Obviously, still do it, but I would like you from period to period to indicate students that are not on the attendance sheet and students that are tardy to class. Instead of having students come around and collect things off your doors like we've done in the past, I would like you to do this instead, and this information will be relayed to me very quickly. Then I can get on top of tracking these students down and figuring out the reasons for tardies and address those accordingly. So the first thing I would like to show you is just how you go about doing this. You're going to click on your name down here, and if you're beyond in the list over here, the quickest thing is just click on this tab, and you can scroll through and find out where you are in the list. So I'll just kind of demonstrate how this is going to work. We'll just type in student A, and let's say student B. We're both tardy to class first period. Let's say this teacher had student C and student B tardy. And let's just say the student had student B tardy. Okay. And this will work for all periods. And if I go back to the master, so it takes a little bit of time for that information to get to this, but it will be sent to me pretty quickly, a little bit quicker than having students come around. It's a little bit more, I think, secure than having students come around and collecting things off your door. So that will be provided for me. I can kind of make it a little bit easier for myself to see some of these add-ons that Google Sheets offers. And I can just collapse this way, collapse, collapse everything down to, it just basically deletes all the, or hides all the cells that were empty. And then I can track those students down. Hopefully that makes things a little bit easier for you. And tabs on where our students are.